Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. This is the next module of chapter number 8 of Geography in which we are discussing about the human resources. Dear children, in the previous module we studied about the density of population and the factors responsible for the distribution of population. In this module mainly we shall study about the population change. So population it's a dynamic phenomena. The numbers, distribution and composition of the population are constantly changing. This is the influence of the interaction of the three processes, namely births, deaths and migrations. Population growth. Growth of population refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a country or territory during a specific period of time. Birth rate. Birth rate it refers to the number of live births per thousand persons in a year. It is a major component of growth of population. In India, birth rates have always been higher than death rates. Death rate. It is the number of deaths per thousand persons in a year. Rapid decline in death rate that is the main cause of rapid growth in population. Since 1981, birth rate has also started declining, resulting in a gradual decline in the rate of population growth. Migration. It is the movement of people across regions and territories. Migration can be internal or international. Internal migration does not change the size of the population within the nation. Migration plays a very significant role in changing the composition and distribution of population. Reasons for the slow growth of population: high death rates, lack of health facilities, lack of sufficient food, low rate of life expectancy. Life expectancy that is the number of years that an average person can expect to live. Lack of proper hygiene and nutrition. But after the year 1800, population growth became rapid, and in the next 150 years, population of world reached 3 billions, which is generally termed as population explosion. Reasons for the rapid growth of population. These are the modern medical facilities, proper and sufficient food supply. Migration also affects the population growth of a region. People move from one country to another in search of employment and better lifestyle. For example, in developed countries like USA and Australia, population increases due to in-migration. A huge number of people arrive in these countries to get a job, education and better life. Whereas population of developing countries such as Sudan get decreased, it's due to the impact of out migration. So dear children, let's have a look on the important points of the chapter. Population of the country, it's a human resource and its most important factor of production. Population growth, it is a change in population number whether positive or negative. It's a result of the interaction between three important variables: birth, death and migration. Population growth, natural increase plus net migration. Natural increase, birth minus death, and net migration, in migration and out migration. So this is all about this module. Thank you. Have a nice day.